Hi guys, it's Maureen. So here's a recipe on how I cook this amazing beef stew that you can have with pasta or whatever you want to have it with. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit up the notification button because I'll be posting a lot of recipes going forward on my YouTube channel. Anyway, let's head right into it. I went to the garden and I got some lettuce, parsley, and some green pepper. Then I started cutting my chicken. Then I went in to cut my greens, my onions, green pepper, parsley, some carrots. I love carrots so much. I did get some potatoes as well because I wanted to make that for my son. I was going to blend it for him. Then in a pan I added some oil, onion, then I added my chicken. Then I did add the spices that I've listed and put in the potatoes. You just let that cook for a little bit and then you add in your carrot and your green pepper. I will not be using tomato, so just like 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and a small cup of yogurt. So you just let that cook and then you add your water because now you want everything to finish up cooking and come together nicely. As you can see, everything is coming together nicely. But then you want the soup to thicken a little more so that everything just blends together nicely. This recipe is only going to take you around 30 to 40 minutes max. It's a very simple and easy recipe. Do try it out. As you can see, look at that, everything did come in together. Now I did mention that the potatoes were for my son because he's like 1 year and stuff, so he does still have trouble eating like a lot of other hard foods, so I'm just gonna blend it for him. So this was me just taking out the potatoes and put it in this can. So it's a very balanced meal for him. He's going to have the potatoes, he's going to have some chicken, all the goodies in there, very healthy for him. So this is the chicken that was left for us. I added in more parsley, but it was a very delicious dish, guys. Please do try it out. Like I mentioned, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on all the new recipes that I will be making. And also share this video if you can. So pasta is easy. You just put it in the water, boil it, and then you take it out. So this was my pasta. This was me plating, put in my chicken and the salad that I made from the greens that I took from the vegetables. So as usual, thank you guys for watching. I hope you do try it out. Please leave me a comment and let's chat. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.